Hi everyone. We again go to SM City Clark with Shaira. Shaira, hi. We going to only eat in SM. I don't know which restaurant, maybe new. We can show to you what's new in SM Clark right now. All night and all day, half days, heavy rain. And only stop rain only now. This is parking for jeepney go to San Fernando, Pampanga, SM Pampanga. And we're going to SM, this is gate. Oh, 40 years, 40 super years. Yes. Celebrate. Oh, celebrate soon. Right. Shaira, we said 40 years celebrate in SM. 40? Oh. Old already, 40. What is Makimura. What Makimura, I will check how much. Look like pizza, not? Makimura ramen bar. Ah, understand. It's like for family. Also have Makimura in Japanese. I look Thai, not it in Japanese restaurant. Ramen with rice. It's good. But I think don't have space inside. Full. Inside full. Stickers. Ah, it's for motor. Mr. Frosty, this is very popular. It's for family. You see this set. Weekend, so many people here. Sometimes need to in advance go and they prepare in a Nassau. In Nassau now, it's okay, not so many people now. But time now 5:15. What Shaira you want? Dry fruits? Strawberry, banana. So many. Cashew, but we order always on internet. What? Show to me. Ah, strawberry. Strawberry good. Mango also. Mango shake. Oh, with lemon. With lemon. Don't have price, I don't know. Shaira, but when celebrate 40 years SM? You don't know? Which day? Maybe this weekend? Don't know. This is Korean. SM store also 70%. Oh. When? June 27, July 6. Okay, good. It's 70%. McDonald's. Shaira like McDonald's. But where information? Don't have information right now. Shaira, can you ask where have information? Excuse me. Where have information? Before information. Now don't have. Okay, thank you. Don't have information in SM Clark now. I don't know. Don't have. Oh, good. No, good quality. Leather maybe. Yeah, good. Oh, what Shaira you want to buy? Aloe. Aloe? Ah, for your sister. Aloe? But aloe everywhere I can buy. Okay. Buy one and next 30%. Okay. Yeah, you see it. 40 years soon. This is Adidas. Adidas. End of season is 50% discount. It's good. Excuse me. Discount it's only from June 26 to July. Select items. But already have now, yeah? Okay. Okay, thank you. Select items only. Shaira will buy best sellers. Okay. Oh, what Shaira you buy? You bought? Okay. Receive bus. Fun bus. Electric bus. Watson. This is souvenir shop, this one. Souvenir. No, Shaira. Another Starbucks. We're going to another Starbucks. Yeah, 40 years. When 40 years? Maybe already 40 years, Shaira. I think maybe already. Vision also sometimes have discount Ray-Ban. Yeah, it's Ray-Ban discount have. Cafe Noel. Oh, good style cafe. Good looking. Also can sit here in the center. Your sister want to buy one more? That you can buy later after it. Cinnabon, always busy, always many people here. But sweet. What is Chupacabra? Chupacabra also there. But problem, why not right to how much? I don't know how much. Shaira run so faster. Oh, what is this? Good art. Forever One art. Cashier help desk. And price have you see? 12,000. This is 27. This is 11,000, 12,000, 12,000. Oh, it's big. How much big? 45,000 peso. 45. Oh, interesting. Yeah. This one maybe not for sale. Yeah, not for sale. Not for sale. Maybe don't have price. Without touching. Yeah, it's 25,000. It's 25, 40, 40,000. $21,000. 35. This is 20,000. 70,000 this one. Most expensive where? I want to see. It's 11. I don't know where most expensive. 40, also 40. Maybe this? Don't have price. It's also 40. Whoa, most expensive this one. 140 peso. You can buy maybe 3 iPhone. Yes, most expensive this one. And another 100. This is 100 peso. 80. Yeah, art. Art everyone. Art everyone. So expensive is one expensive 140 I see only. And what Shaira do it? Shaira cake. For sister, she want to buy for sister. Shaira, what you want to buy? Take video call with her sister, and she choose what she want, and Shaira will buy. This is spaghetti 100 peso, 150. Siomai. Banana bread 250. Okay. Can pay also cash, card, and Gcash also. This is cake. Okay. SM not so many people this time. Even 5:30 right now, but not so many people. Maybe because today heavy rain. All day rain, night time rain. Oh, Shaira already bought. What you bought? Show me. What is cake? Oh, good. How much is cake?
180.
180. Small and 180. Good? Okay. If good, it's okay. Matcha Tokyo. How much? Oh, it's new restaurant. Yeah. Hawker Chan. Hawker Chan. Price. It's good. It's just open. New place. New restaurant. Yeah, sales. Sales already 20. Good afternoon. Thank you. We're going to eat in the cafe. Yeah, Shaira wanted pizza. This is big restaurant. Extreme cafe. Now we're in the cafe. Shaira, what kind of pizza you wanted?
Maybe mix.
Mix? Okay. This menu, you can see menu. Pizza. It's a little bit expensive here, but we can try. Also have breakfast menu, you see. Extreme coffee, sandwiches. Vodka also, vodka. We can drink vodka.
Vodka Absolute.
Absolute. Is this absolute vodka? What kind of vodka?
It's like
Shaira wanted pizza today. I don't know. Before she want rice, now she want pizza. Shaira, you want pizza?
Both.
Rice also, she said. It's okay. Extreme cup. Our pizza, Hawaiian, and what's Shaira name?
Spinach one.
Spinach and mushroom, another side. So it's mix.
Maybe what is this in Clarkton?
Clarkton, the same we ordered before, yeah? Hawaiian pizza. Good, Shaira?
But I have also good, what is it, the good one, yes, like that.
In Clarkton also good, and here also good. I will buy maybe this one. It's from Philippines or made in Philippines. $2.99 price. It's good set. For travel also good. So many.